Ladies and gentlemen, from two of the most iconic sets, one of the biggest, most impressive, welcome to the airplane crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds, starring Tom Cruise. The sensor you're looking at, yes, that is a real Boeing 747 airplane that was bought just for the production of War of the Worlds. It cost filmmakers $60,000, and you're probably thinking, hey Victor, that's not that bad. No, it is, because it took filmmakers $200,000 just to get it here. It's always the shipping and handling that gets you there, right? And here's Steven Spielberg and production designer Rick Carter to tell you a little bit more.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision that Steven had.
When you first began to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen now, man. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Just got them closed. Robbie, get in. Get in.
Our War of the World set has been used in many productions. For example, it's been used for episodes of Community with Joel McHale and Allison Brie, the music video Live from Nicki Minaj and Rihanna, and the Talking Heat photo shoot for America's Next Top